Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to show you guys the FLEX 712 Random Orbital 3-inch Polisher. The FLEX XFE 712 3-inch Random Orbital Polisher combines the paint correction power of a random orbital polisher and the maneuverability of a PE8 rotary, allowing you to correct those hard-to-reach areas like window panels, door jambs, around decals, and even isolated areas where you may only need to correct one scratch or imperfection. Its ergonomic design feels great in the hand and will help prevent operator fatigue. The FLEX XFE 712 has a 12mm orbit and an included counterweight for smooth operation. The FLEX XFE 712 comes with a standard 2.95-inch Velcro backing plate, which is designed to fit the 3-inch pads shown here. As mentioned before, the FLEX XFE is perfect for difficult areas around your vehicle, such as window panels, door jambs, around decals and emblems, and even isolated areas where you may only need to correct a single scratch or imperfection. Alright guys, that about wraps up this video. We hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on the FLEX XFE 712 or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a detail king. See you guys next time.